In this video, we will show you how to save open tabs when you close Google Chrome. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. This feature is incredibly useful if you have many tabs open but need to close Chrome for any reason. It allows you to reopen Chrome and have all your tabs restored. To get started, go to the top right of Chrome and click on three dots. Next, scroll down and click on Settings. In the Setting menu, navigate to the left side and select on Startup. Here you will see few options. To ensure your tab reopened, click on Continue where you left off. This setting ensures that all your tabs will reopen just as they were before you closed Chrome. With that setting enabled, you can now close Chrome. When you reopen it, you will find all your tabs restored. It's that simple. If you found this guide helpful and want to see more tutorials like this, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.